Azure, but that is for the hosting and hosting purpose and something. And for the performance, we have our own Azure platform, so on which we are on which we are doing the performance testing. So I know little bit of about the cloud.
Okay. So can we know why do you want to learn AWS? I mean, this a question is common for all. So please, while introducing yourself, just do let me know why do you want to learn AWS cloud? Yeah,
Uh,
no, go on.
as it's a market competitor for the cloud platforms like Azure, AWS. So I just need to know that how it is going, because I know little bit of Azure, so I just wanted to know much about the AWS. Frankly
Okay.
speaking, for a certification purpose, we wanted to do that. Nothing else.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Next is Ashwani. Ashwani, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, good evening to you. Ashwini here, and I'm working in IT field. Around I do have like 9 years of experience in performance testing. So mainly this one is like the certification purpose only. I used to join this course maybe, and my career perspective also.
Okay. Ashwani, so do you have any experience on cloud?
No, I don't have any experience in that role. So my manager suggests like we need to get into knowledge in all these areas. So I'm just looking into get into knowledge all these areas, AWS and DevOps and that.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So Ashwani, you want to learn for knowledge purpose. Fine. Good. Great.
Yeah.
Next is Basha. So guys, please just go one by one and introduce yourself. I'll take the name. Okay, Basha.
Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Basha. So I have a total 8 years of IT experience. It's like related to performance engineering side. So like we are working on some cloud-based applications. Like now migrating that. So the AWS is one of the cloud they have taken. So just I want to get the knowledge and certification on that.
Okay, Brinda.
Yeah, hello everyone and good evening. I have the IT experience of 3 years. Now I was switch over to US, so I need knowledge something about AWS because I am a developer. We are using some AWS like encryption all using AWS. I have no idea about that, so I thought of taking this course to learn more about it. Yeah,
You are also working in performance testing. Oh, okay, you are
not
working as a developer, right?
developer. Yeah, yes.
What language?
JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay. Dilip.
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. This is Dilip here. So I have around 12 years of experience in IT. So I'm currently working as a performance test lead in US. So from AWS perspective, so I want to improve my career level. So I want to work as a cloud performance engineer, and towards I wanted to learn as a DevOps as well. So the mainly the course is looking for to get a certified in AWS solution architect.
Okay.
Uh, and I don't have a prior any experience on the cloud, so
No issues. No issues. Dilip is done. Hassan. 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 If you're speaking on mute. Okay. Kumar. Who is Kumar? Kumar is here.
Uh, Hi, am I audible?
Yeah. Hi. You're audible.
Hi, this is Santosh Kumar. I have total around 8 years of experience in IT industry. I'm working on performance testing. Yep. Mostly, I joined this course to learn the AWS, also getting certification for a solution architect. I have some theoretical knowledge on cloud, but I haven't worked on any. I don't have any hands-on knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Santosh. There's one person by name Kumar.
I think it's me.
Sorry, Santosh, is that you?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
that's
you
me.
have joined by two name.
Two. No.
Yeah, one is Santosh and one is Kumar, who's on mute. Okay, Santosh. Anyways, no issues. We'll go ahead.
Okay.
Then there's this anonymous person whose name is I. Who's I? I or L? Uh, can you go ahead and give a brief introduction? Okay. We'll proceed. We'll proceed with. We'll go to Naga. Naga Varalakshmi.
Hello, this is Nagavara Lakshmi from UK. Recently, I have no experience in IT field, a little bit experience about testing. Uh, Here I am searching for job for IT. So some of my friends telling know about AWS. So I looking for the learning about. I'm from learning stage now.
Okay.
So I discussed with Isha team. They suggest this is better to know, and I want to know and learning about this AWS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Next is Nazil. Nazil. Okay. I will proceed. Prasad.
Yeah, hi, this is Prasad. I have 10 plus years of experience in performance testing. As you know, most of the companies are moving to cloud. I just want to learn like basics of perform like AWS, all those things.
Okay. Okay. Santosh is done. Soundarya.
Hi everyone. Uh, I'm from US, so I have I'm managing a team of like 15 resources, and right currently my company like most of the products are moving into cloud, especially to AWS. So I wanted to get knowledge on cloud-based AWS and also DevOps.
Okay. Okay. And Soundarya, you're working as a performance testing.
Yeah, performance manager.
Okay. Performance manager, is it technical or non-technical? Okay. Shri Hari.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Steve, like I have around 7 plus years of experience in IT. Just wanted
Okay.
to explore myself in cloud as well. Thanks.
Okay. Next is Tilly.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes?
Hi. We can hear you.
Awesome. Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Tilly. I'm a functional and automation tester. I have about 2 years of experience in the IT realm. Um, so the company that I'm working for actually uses AWS, but I've only really interacted with it for like storage reasons. So I'm taking this class because one, it's been on my bucket list for a really long time, almost like 6 years, but finally I'm gonna learn how to do AWS. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Tilly. Now, next is Umakant.
Hi, yeah, I'm having a 10 plus years of experience as a backend Java developer, and my company is switching to AWS. So I have an idea on that one on the AWS. So I'm planning to take a certification on the AWS. That's the reason I joined. Currently, I'm in US.
Okay, so you told that your company is switching to AWS. So by switching to AWS, you mean
I mean
that
to
your,
say, shift and lift to AWS.
I mean, your applications are moving from on-premises to AWS cloud.
AWS, correct.
Okay. Okay, so it's already moved, or is it still moving and you are the part of that
No,
application?
I mean, they are planning from this. So they give us a 30 days time. Then they'll
Okay.
start moving the things. They are starting with the Git, then the subsequent things.
Okay. Okay. Next is Yogesh.
Yeah, hi all. Myself Yogesh. I'm from Pune. I have 10 plus work experience in IT. Currently working in SRE. So just for means exploring AWS. So that's why I'm turning to join this course.
Okay. Okay. So, sorry, Yogesh, your voice
Yeah,
was a little feeble. I was not able to hear properly.
yeah actually I'm traveling. So sorry.
Oh, you're traveling. Okay.
Yeah.
No issues. You're working as a tester?
No. SRE, Site Reliability Engineer.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks.
Thank you. Okay. I think we are done. Is anybody? I think Arjun didn't give the introduction. Arjun joined little late. Hi, Arjun.
Yeah, that's okay, Shivam. Already we are 30 minutes late now. Let's continue, please.
Cool. Okay. So I think this is just a demo session. So it's
Yeah.
better that we first know, I mean, the background, then we start. Okay, so that's why I wanted to know. Okay, cool. We'll start now then. So first, you guys tell me what do you know about AWS? I mean, why AWS is? I mean, why not Azure? Why not GCP? Why not Alibaba Cloud? Why AWS? Can anybody answer? Prasad, can you go ahead and answer?
Um, I'm not sure. It's like I think they are the one who came into the market, Amazon, right?
Yeah, but
First.
Azure also came into the market. GCP, Google Cloud is also came into the market, but why AWS? Okay, anybody else apart from you?
Yeah, it's main thing is pricing, then the performance, the way AWS is been giving on demand, the
Mhm.
services, load balancing services are creating images of your operating systems,
No,
which has been
those
more I mean, the
these
configuration and the pricing is seems to be competitive with other products. That is what I
okay,
come to know.
okay.
Mm.
Yeah, I mean you are correct to some extent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll give the answer. Okay, so first of all, see, pricing is the very common answer which we give when the question arises about the comparison. Okay, so that is a different thing, but yeah, but the pricing is low. Second, the images and all auto scaling which you told, that is the features of AWS cloud. That is a different thing. That is a feature. Okay. Now, why? I mean, we are learning AWS because of, I mean, because of the trust. I'll give you a straight example. Have you heard about Amazon Prime? Okay, a simple yes would do from anyone.
Yes.
Amazon Prime and Netflix, they are the competitors, right? Amazon Prime and Netflix both are
Yes,
competitors.
yes.
But you will be surprised to know that Netflix and Amazon Prime, the content of both of these online platforms are on AWS.
Oh,
That much that much trust. I mean, the companies are having on AWS.
I mean,
Okay,
since both are competitors, still
both
they
are
are using
competitors.
the same common platform.
Yeah, see, for Amazon Prime, it's of the same business, right? Amazon Cloud,
Hmm.
Amazon Prime. I mean, it's of the same, but Netflix is also using Amazon Prime. It's also using Amazon Cloud. Sorry, Amazon
Yeah.
Cloud, because of the trust. First of all,
Hmm.
because of the trust, because of the transparency which AWS gives. Okay, so this
Okay.
is the reason. Okay, now, okay, so when AWS started in the year 2002, when it was launched, and the applications like Dropbox, Airbnb, Netflix, even NASA uses AWS. So that much trust it has. Now, first was this. Now, second thing is that uh, it's user friendly. I mean, when you go so you guys have AWS account? Do you have AWS account?
Yeah, I created for taking the certification, but I
Mhm.
need to check whether it's active or not.
It will be active for a year. So I hope
Uh,
everybody is having AWS account, because if you want to do hands-on, you should be having AWS account.
Yes, I have created in last month, but yesterday I got one bill,
No, that's
128 INR.
leave it. I'll tell you how to sort that out. Okay, I'm assuming that everybody is having AWS account, because without that you'll not be able to do hands-on. Okay. So yeah, AWS console is very user friendly. You will be able to find anything like auto scaling group, or load balancing, or creating a virtual servers or storage easily on AWS. It's pretty easy to navigate. You will be able to see the dashboards very easy. I mean, it's pretty easy compared to Azure and GCP. I have not worked on GCP, but I have got a chance to learn GCP. But I worked on Azure DevOps. I've seen all the three cloud platforms, out of which I personally found AWS very easy and very user friendly. Second was this, and of course, third was pricing. Pricing of AWS is very low compared to other services. Okay, so now, to highlight some of the numbers, I mean, in 2019 alone, AWS had around 35, I think $35 billion in annual revenue, which is 47% of the market in 2019. Okay, current data I'm not sure of in 2019. Okay, 19 and 20, sorry, 19 and 20. 47% of the market. Microsoft was second, which was 22%. So you can see the gap. It is more than double the gap. Microsoft with 22%, AWS with 47%, and other leaders are of course there with some one with 9%, 5%, like that. Currently, it has around, say, 20 million active users, and 20 million, and it's increasing day by day. I mean, more than 20 million active users, which they currently have. Okay, now I'll not waste much time. I'll straight away take you to the console of AWS. Just give me a minute. Let me share my screen. And those who are preparing for certification, I'll share the notes of AWS. I mean, the full notes of AWS solution architect, which I used it for my exam. I mean, it is my own notes. I prepared it. Let me just see, where's the console.
Yeah, that will be helpful, Shivam.
I will share that. Yeah. Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see my screen? Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the console. This is the whole console of AWS. Okay, you can see I am right now in Mumbai region. There are many regions in AWS where you can work. Mumbai is very close to me. I mean, of course, it's first of all it's in India because I'm closer to Mumbai, so I'll get more connectivity. I mean, a good connectivity through Mumbai as compared to other locations. So, and there are many other locations also, but these locations are not enabled for my account because these are pretty new. So still they have not enabled it for certain accounts. Okay, so these are the regions. This is US, this is Asia Pacific, then you have Europe, South America, and all. Okay, now this is my account. Are you guys familiar with the AWS account? What is where?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So this is my account ID. Okay, now I'll go to billing dashboard first of all. This is the most important thing, which if you're using AWS free tier account. So this is how the billing dashboard looks like. You go here, you click on billing dashboard, you will be able to see your bills easily. Okay, now there's a very interesting thing here. When you go to budgets, okay, here, so if you have AWS account, please go through it. Okay, I'll advise you to go through it because it will be more informative for you. I'll give you hands-on what and how things are done in AWS. So here we can create our own budget. Let's say I'll click on create a budget. Okay, we'll use standard a template. Now these are the templates: zero spend budget, monthly cost budget, daily saving plans, daily reservation, utilization budget. So by zero spend, it means that if your bill goes even a single dollar, it will give you an email that your bill is going to be, I mean, th- this much amount. Now this is monthly cost budget. You set the monthly cost budget like in 1 month I'll spend thousand. I'll spend $100. Okay, this is the budget name, my monthly cost budget. Here you set the budget as $100. Then you give the email xyz at the rate gmail.com. Okay, that's it. You create the budget. So if your uh, bill is approaching 100, like let's say it has reached 90 or 91, I mean almost 90%, it will throw an email to you that your monthly bill is about to reach $100. So please limit your bill. So that in that way you will be I mean you will, of course, you'll be able to manage things, right? You will use the services as per the budget planned. So this you can set. Okay, but these are usually set on the enterprise level. If you're using a free tier account, no need to set that. AWS guys are very good. I mean, whether you spend 100, 200, or 1,000 rupees, you send them an email, they will straight away refund that. I mean, they'll straight away strike off that amount. So no need to use this in a free tier account. These budget setup people usually do in at an organization level. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Do you have any questions on this? Okay, if not, I will proceed. And one more thing to show that the bill this one, the billing dashboard, it's a global service. It is a global service. See, automatically it's taking as global, and when I'll go to AWS console, it will automatically change to Mumbai region. Okay, okay. Now why we use AWS? I mean, the reason we use AWS is very simple, because of the servers. AWS provides you the server to host your application. It gives scalability, low latency, I mean, so that your customers, if your customers are coming to your website, they will directly be able to go to the product, order it without any latency. I mean, that's a good sorry, that's a good user experience, right? So that's how AWS helps. Now, okay, so there are many services in AWS. AWS is the entire IT market. Entire IT market AWS have machine learning, Internet of Things, migration and transfer. So this is the migration services which organization use to either my to either migrate from on-premises to cloud or from AWS cloud to AWS cloud. I mean, by AWS cloud to AWS cloud means from one VPC of the AWS cloud to another VPC of the AWS cloud. I know few people might not be familiar with the term VPC, but don't worry, I'll explain that to you later. Okay, now, yeah, anybody was saying something? Hello. So is it clear till now?
Uh, Actually, no, I this is Umakant. I logged in using my wife account. Why we are going the first step as on the pricing part, Shivam? Just want to know that. Is that the
Why we
way, you are showing me the account, right? Wherein, $100 thing is there. I
why we
mean
are
to
going
say
in the
the, yeah,
I,
this is
I'll
why
tell
the first, oh, okay. Go ahead, sorry.
I'll tell you why. So
Mm,
the reason I went to billing dashboard is, first of all, because money is a very important thing and everybody is concerned about money. Now when I started started sharing my screen, or I started asking about the AWS accounts, the first question was ki I have a bill of 200 rupees or 100 rupees, right? I had this question from somebody, right?
yes.
And yeah, and this is a free tier account. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
pricing is most. Now, see, if you reach the pricing of 100, 200, 500, 1000, not a big deal. I mean, for AWS. But if you don't check your bill, okay, if you keep using the accounts, if you keep using the services, then what if then I have seen cases. I've seen few cases in trainings where bill has gone up to 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs. So in that case, AWS will not refund those amount. So we need to be very careful on that. And of course, I'm talking about enterprise level. If you're working at the enterprise level, and if you don't have any idea of the billing of the a budget plan, then of course, I mean, you need to, as a solution architect, or as a solution architect. I'm not talking about a cloud engineer. Cloud engineer is a different thing. But as a solution architect, when you design the entire platform where application has to be hosted, you need to be worried about the budget, right? How- do you think client or the company will pay you any amount of money for hosting an application?
Precisely, no, you are the person who is going to say that, if you want to shift and lift to AWS, this is a pricing, this is a budget is been going to incur. So, are you ready with that? So, yeah, I got your point that, being a solution architect, you should be optimizing everything, right, to give a better product to the
Yeah, and
customer.
and
Mm,
yeah, and foremost thing, the first and the foremost thing is that any application I think somebody
mm,
told that they are migrating from on premises to cloud. So when you're
mhm.
migrating from on premises to cloud, then the solution architect has to design the whole thing, and they have to give a certain budget, that this is the budget which which will, when we are migrating from on premises to cloud, they will have to give a budget. Without budget plan, you can't move to any other services.
Well, just want to know that what is the industry standards for the leakage of the budget? Is that the 10% or how it will be if there any kind
Industries.
of leakage?
No, I
Mm.
didn't. I'm sorry, I didn't understood your question. Can you
Let
come
us say
again?
no, we are given a budget of 100 rupees,
Hmm.
and down the line it goes to 200. Then there is a
Hmm.
100% hike in the leakage, right? but just want to
Yes.
know what is the leakage in case of cloud-based uh,
No,
applications
yeah, so
in the
that
industry.
leakage you will have to
Hmm.
solve.
Okay.
That leakage only you will have to solve. No, you will have to give a budget. Then you'll have
Oh.
to go and set the budget.
Mhm.
Okay. Then you have to go and set the budget, because without setting the budget, how will you move forward? Let's say if you have not set the budget, you are directly